Hey man, you already know who it is. Your boy Boostedfit checking in for another video. And today I will be trying yoga for the first time. They're not going to be perfect, but I'm going to go ahead and get it done. I want you guys to follow along with me if this is your first time, and let me know in the comments below how do you like yoga for the first time. I'm going to let you know how I like yoga for the first time. Shot! As you can see by the title, I'm doing yoga for the first time, and it went pretty good. I'm looking forward to working on my flexibility and just getting better overall with yoga. The first pose there you see was the cat-cow. I don't know where they get the names of these poses from, but oh well. This pose increases flexibility of the neck, shoulders, and spine while stretching the muscles of the back, abdomen, and chest. It felt good just to dedicate some time to stretching and relaxing my mind, and once I got done, I felt real good, and I'm looking forward to doing more yoga the rest of this month. This pose is like the beginning stages of yoga, just kind of walking you into it with something simple and easy to do. Each pose or stretch will only get harder to do from here, so make sure you stick around for that. This pose really did help with the stiffness in my lower back that I always have, so if you're having lower back issues, try doing this pose. The video I was looking at had me like, dang, I really need to get more flexible, because right now, your boy is stiff as a brick, man. For all you yoga experts out there, or people that think you know about yoga, I'm in the beginning stages right now, so go ahead and criticize and give me constructive criticism. Don't get on here talking crazy. But by this time next month, you're going to see I'm going to be way more flexible. This next pose is the Warrior 2 pose. I don't know why I skipped Warrior 1 and went straight to Warrior 2, but nevertheless, I still did it anyway. But I don't know if you see it, that front leg, man, that I have planted is shaking like a stripper. I felt every last bit of that, because this pose is supposed to stretch your hamstrings, groin, and hips while opening up your chest and shoulders. As you can see, all of that in the pose. It also supposed to relieve lower back pain, stress, and sluggish digestion. I felt like a ninja warrior doing this pose for real, but I really felt a good stretch in my hamstring, and it made me focus on the small things like turning my hand and looking at the tip of my middle finger. Every time I would get into a pose, buddy in the background was looking over there at me like, what the hell? If you are liking the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos like this of me trying different things that test my body, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now that the easy stuff is out of the way, the hard part came, which was the flexibility side of things. This stretch was called the inverted triangle pose, and I had some problem doing it. As you see, I was looking at some videos and I was like, ain't no way in the hell I'm going to get my body to do that. This twist increases flexibility in the spine, calms the mind, and relaxes the nervous system. I really did feel relaxed after I got past the hard part, which was getting into that position. As y'all can see, it was hard for you, boy, man, trying to twist like that, but I promise you, I'm going to keep on doing it. And later on down the line, y'all going to see that this stuff right here in the beginning stage is really paid off for me, because I'm going to be flexible as hell. And I'm going to do the split. So all you guys out there, don't be talking, because I'm going to work on doing the split. I told the people at work I would try it a long time ago, but now I'm back on it. So don't get in the comments talking crazy when you see your boy on here doing the split. The next stretch I did was the head to knee stretch, and of course y'all know I didn't get my head to my knee, but I'm working on it. This right here stretches the spine, hamstrings, and groin, and also stimulate the liver and kidneys while helping to calm the brain and relieve anxiety. I was really trying to keep the opposite knee on the ground, but it was hard. I've been attempting to do this stretch right here since middle school, but I could never do it. And now I'm about 220 pounds with a lot of muscle mass, so y'all already know the outcome on that. I take that back. I've been doing the stretch since middle school, but I haven't been doing it right. That's the difference. As you can see, I was relieved to be done with that side. I moved to the next side, and this side was a little bit better, but I still felt every last second of it. And I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't counting in my head, and I didn't have the stopwatch on my phone, but I felt every last second of this. Next we have the breeze pose, but this was not my first time doing it. The difference was I had to keep my arms on the ground and put my hands together. That was the hard part about that particular pose. This pose engages the glutes and hamstring and stretches the shoulders. This is great for people that spend their day in front of a computer or driving because it makes your glutes weak, and this will help that out a lot. As you can see, I hold the pose pretty good, but I had a problem with keeping my arms on the ground, reaching behind my back, and putting my hands together. I had to keep readjusting because I guess my arms are too big and I need to work on more shoulder flexibility. Ladies, this is a great pose for you to squeeze those glutes. So if you want that backside right, add this to your workout and I promise you it will help you with your glutes. This last pose was funny as hell. It's called Happy Baby. I was trying to get into the pose, man. I was rocking up to my roll. Look at that. Look at me. Check me out. That was funny as hell, man. I ain't gonna lie. That was funny. And I still barely could hold it. But the next one was a little bit better. I don't know why they call it Happy Baby, but it's a great hamstring, groin, and inner thigh stretch that helps to prevent injuries to these muscles. I wasn't going to show this footage, I'm not even going to lie, but it's nothing like a good laugh. This is not how it was supposed to look, but this was my first time doing it and I had to get it how I live. The second one was way better, but that's what it's all about. Since I'm talking, let me give y'all some free game, man. You know what I'm talking about? In life, just to get one win, you have to take 1,000 losses. Now y'all let that sink in for a minute. Charge! Hey man, first yoga session complete. It was great. I need to work on my flexibility and I need to work on controlling my breathing, not holding my breath, controlling my breathing. But overall, it was great. Hopefully I'll be doing it for the next 30 days. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, comment below. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.